Today I'm going to show you how to import contacts stored on your device as a CSV file into your Klaviyo account quickly and easily. This is perfect for adding new subscribers or moving contacts from another platform. Let's dive in. First, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left-hand side, go to Audience, then select Lists and Segments. Here, you'll see any existing lists you have, and you have two options. You can either add contacts to one of these existing lists, or you can create a completely new list. For this example, we'll create a new list. Click Create List and give it a name. We'll just call it New List 1. You can also add optional tags if you like to help organize your contacts. Once you're done, click Create List. After the list has been created, go to the top right-hand corner and click Manage List, then choose Import Contacts. This will open the import options. You can either copy and paste from a CSV file or directly upload a CSV file. Make sure your CSV file is saved on your computer before you start. Click Upload, select your CSV file, and Klaviyo will process it. Next, you need to check that the CSV columns match Klaviyo profile properties. For example, make sure your CSV's first name column matches Klaviyo's first name property, last name matches last name, and email address matches email address. If any of them don't match, you can use the drop-down menu to adjust the mapping. After everything is matched correctly, click Next. Now Klaviyo will ask you whether these contacts have subscribed to email marketing. If they have, select Yes, so they are added with the correct subscription status. If not, select No. Finally, click Import, and your contacts will be added to the list. Now your CSV file has been successfully imported, and Klaviyo has all those contacts ready for your campaigns. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to drop a like, and explore our channel for more awesome Klaviyo tips and tutorials.